Hi everyone, hello. Hope you all are doing good. So let's start our class. So we'll start the class with welcome song. So you all have to sing along with ma'am. Let's start. We welcome you to school today. School today. School today. We welcome you to school today. Please come and play. We are glad to have you here today. Here today. Here today. We are glad to have you here today. Yes, it's a special day. Welcome, everyone. Welcome to this new and beautiful day. So, now we are going to sing God's love. Okay, everyone, first of all, you all have to sit straight. Your bed should be straight always. Okay, start. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. God's love, it's so wonderful. So wonderful love. So wonderful love, so high, we can't get over it. So high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wide, we can't get around it. So wonderful love. So wonderful love. Okay, kids. Now, first of all, let me tell you one thing. You all have to sit in front of the screen only. Adjust the camera so that I can see you properly. Okay, chalo. Now let's talk about the day and the date. So today the day is Wednesday. What is the day today? Today is Wednesday. What is the day today, everyone? Wednesday. And the date is 25 August 2021. Today the date is 25 August 2021. Okay, chalo. Now tell me how many days are there in a week? एक वीक में कितने डेज होते हैं? Yes, well done everyone. There are 7 days in a week. 7 days. Let's say it together. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday is the holiday. Okay, now let's talk about the months of a year. So, how many months are there in a year? एक ईयर में एक साल में कितने मंथ्स होते हैं? There are 12 months. Yes, we can't count on the fingers as we are having only 10 fingers and there are 12 months. So let's say the name of the months together. Chalo, start. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Okay, chalo. So, kids, come on, today we are going to do some exercises. Come on, stand up, everyone. Stand up before starting our work. Today we are going to do some exercises. Stand up. Stand, stand. I don't want to say everyone. Okay, you have to stand. I don't want to say each one of you. Stand. Come on. Rudraksh. Stand up. Chalo. Come on. So, first of all, stretch your arms and clap. 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 Yes. Now, Show your thumbs up. Show your thumbs and keep it on the shoulders. Now you have to move your hands forward. आपको आपके हाथ forward आगे करने हैं. Forward, 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 forward. Now backward. अब पीछे की तरफ करेंगे. Backward, backward, backward. Okay. Now stretch your arms like this. Now what we have to do? You have to move your wrist only without moving your hands. You don't have to move your hands. You only have to move your wrist. Chalo, come on. Okay. Now raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. Yes. आपको आपके knees, आपके घुटने bend नहीं करने हैं, ठीक है? Again, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet without bending your knees. Again, raise your hands higher and bend yourself. Try to touch your feet. Okay? Chalo. Now, sit down. Sit, 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 sit. All right. Chalo, let's start the class now. So, first of all, we are going to do our Hindi work. As you all know, yesterday only I told everyone that our course has completed for the first term, and in the second week of September, most probably, the exams are going to start. So we had started our revision already. Okay. So first of all, get your Hindi copy, Hindi 2 copy. First of all, get your Hindi 2 copy. And what you have to do first, what ma'am used to say every time, whenever you are starting any of your work, whether it is of English, Hindi or Maths, any of your work. So first of all, you should write the date of that particular day. So we are writing today. So you have to write the date 25/8/21. So why we have written 8 here? Because August is the 8th month of a year. हम जो जनवरी फरवरी बोलते हैं उसमें अगस्त 8th नंबर पर आता है. So that's why we had written 8 here instead of August. Okay, write down the date and then write down the heading. रंगों के नाम. Okay, you complete this much. Acha, remember, tomorrow there is test of GK, summer fruits and winter fruits name. Yesterday also I had told you everyone, है ना? And most probably you all received the message as well regarding this. रंगों के नाम. रंग, रंग मीन्स कलर्स. कलर्स को हम हिंदी में कहते हैं रंग. तो आज हम रंगों के नाम का रिवीजन करेंगे. As we had done this already previously. So the most common color is red, है ना? So red को इंग्लिश में कहते हैं लाल. ल में आ की मात्रा ला, ल, लाल, है ना? बोलकर देखो. ल को ला बनाने के लिए हमने आ की मात्रा लगाई तो बन गया ला एंड ल, लाल. लाल, लाल मीन्स रेड. रीड एंड राइट. किड्स, आप बोलोगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कौन सी मात्रा आ रही है. ठीक है? ला मतलब ल में आ की मात्रा तो बनेगा ला, ल, लाल. Number 2 is हरा. हरा means green color. ग्रीन को हम हिंदी में हरा कहते हैं. हरा. ह रा. तो रो को रा बनाने के लिए आ की मात्रा. हरा. ह रा. Then लाल, हरा और नीला. नीला मीन्स ब्लू कलर. नीला. ना में बड़ी ई की मात्रा नी. अगर छोटी ई की मात्रा होती तो हम बोलते नी, बट यहाँ पर बड़ी ई की मात्रा है. दिस इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन छोटी ई की मात्रा और बड़ी ई की मात्रा. आपको हमेशा याद रखना है, जब छोटी ई की मात्रा लगती है तो उसमें ई का साउंड आता है, और जब बड़ी ई की मात्रा लगती है तो इट बिकम्स ई. तो इसमें बड़ी ई की मात्रा है ना में, तो हम बोलेंगे नी. नी ला. ला में आ की मात्रा ला. नीला. लाल, हरा, नीला. Then number 4, पीला. पीला मीन्स येलो. पीला. तो पा को पी बनाने के लिए हम बड़ी की मात्रा लगाएंगे. पा को पी बनाने के लिए बड़ी की मात्रा पी ला. पीला. पीला. And the last one is काला. काला means black. So क को का बनाने के लिए का में आ की मात्रा. So as I don't have space here, so I am erasing this and writing the 5th number here. काला. क को का बनाने के लिए का में आ की मात्रा, और ल को ला बनाने के लिए ला में भी आ की मात्रा. काला. ओके. लाल, हरा, नीला, पीला, काला. लाल, हरा, नीला, पीला और काला. Yes. Get your mathematics copy and write down today's date. The date is 25/8/2021. And write down the heading table of 2. Acha, listen. Listen everyone, I was checking copies today. So I found that some of you had not written the headings. So that is an important thing. You have to write the heading every time. And one more thing, parents, kindly cover the copies. Next time, we won't check the copy which is not covered. All right? Write down the heading. Table of 2. Write down the date first and then write down the heading. Swasti beta, switch on the camera. All right. So table of 2. Shall we start? Shall we start, kids? Okay, let's start. So today we write with the old format only. Okay. And as I told, it's up to you. Or both the ways of writing and learning table are correct. So whatever you feel convenient for your child, you make them learn that. Okay. Chalo, start. 2, 1 is 2. Write down. 2, 1 is 2. You all have to read first. Then 2, 2 is 4. Two, 1 is 2. 2, 2 is 4. 2, 3 is 6. Read and then write. Then 2, 4 is 8. 2, 1 is 2. 2, 2 is 4. 2, 3 is 6. 2, 4 is 8. Then 2, 5 is 10. Read and write. Two, 1 is 2. 2, 2 is 4. 2, 3 is 6. 2, 4 is 8. 2, 5 is 10. Acha, one more thing. Always remember कि जो सारे सिंगल डिजिट नंबर हैं दे ऑल कम इन प्लेस ऑफ वंस. वंस की प्लेस पर आएंगे. ठीक है. और ये 1 0 10 1 आएगा टेंस की प्लेस पर एंड 0 आएगा वंस की प्लेस पर. ये डू नॉट डू दैट मिस्टेक. ओके. All the single digit numbers come on one's place. Complete this much as I don't have space here, so I have to raise the board. Okay, can I erase it? So kids, as I don't have a space here, so I am erasing it. But you have to write in continuity only. Okay. Now, 2, 6 is 12. 2 6 is 12. 2 7 is 14. 2 8 is 16. 'Read and then write. 2 6 is 12. 2 7 is 14. 2 8 is 16. Then 2 9 is 18. And 2 10 is 20. 2 6 is 12. 2 7 is 14. 2 8 is 16. 2 9 is 18. And 2 10 is 20. Vihan, sit properly. I am looking at each and every one of you. Okay? So sit properly in the class. 2 6 is 12. 2 7 is 14. 2 8 is 16. 2 9 is 18. And 2 10 is 20. Okay? So in this way, you have to complete